Hi, my beautiful Geminis. Welcome back to Tarot Talks. I hope you guys are doing good and are safe with your family and loved ones. Geminis, let me wish you a very, very happy new year, guys. May this year be full of health, wealth, prosperity, love, peace, and bliss for you guys. So, Geminis, we are going to do the collective reading for you guys for this month, January 2021. Please note that this is a collective reading, so it might not resonate with all, so please take what resonates and leave the rest. Okay, you would also want to check the other signs in your birth chart, okay, to get a better understanding. Yeah guys, so yeah, let's get started with your energy first. So Geminis, while shuffling and meditating over your energy, I am feeling a little sadness, there is something that is making you a little sad. It's making you ask questions, it's making you think about life. It's making you ask questions. It's making you think about how what do I say, how fragile everything is, or how temporary everything is. It's asking you to, or it's rather making you to contemplate. I also feel that, and also not only just feel, but the card that kept on coming was popping was helpful person. So there is someone around who is wanting to help you. Okay, probably you should seek that help, receive that help. Okay, be open to receiving help. Now this could not be help in terms of help like receiving money or anything tangible, like in a materialistic form, but help in the sense that if you are feeling like confiding into someone, please go ahead and do that. It will help you guys. It will make you feel better. That's what I'm strongly feeling. If you feel like talking to someone, venting or pouring your heart, you should just go ahead and do it. That's what is required, is what I strongly feel. Yeah. So let's get started with your reading, guys, and see what we have for you in store for this lovely month of this new year. Okay, yeah. Wow, new beginnings right away. Yeah, Tower card. No, I'm not surprised to see that Tower card. There is definitely some kind of rude awakening that has happened, some incident that has actually made you think about life. Just think a lot about life is what I see over here. The energy at the bottom of deck is that of Temperance. Two of Wands and Two of Pentacles. So I'm taking this. You're trying to make some decision. There is the Seven of Cups. So I guess your emotions are all over, plus Magician also. Yeah, Lovers card. Wow, new beginnings for someone. Empress. Yeah, there's Justice card also. Sorry, not Justice, Judgment. So guys, let's get started immediately with your reading. So the present energy is that of Ace of Wands. Now this talks about new beginnings. Okay, brand new beginnings, brand new phase. Maybe some of you guys are taking a new job, new career opportunity. You are taking a new role. Maybe at personal front you are entering into a new relationship. But something that is making you feel very much empowered. Something that is making you feel victorious. Okay, something that for which you have worked really hard, and finally you are getting those new beginnings. I'm very much happy to see this card. This is definitely something which I can see that you have worked really hard to get this new beginnings. Okay, and then you were waiting very much patiently. You have waited for long for this, and then boom, there it comes like a lightning. And that's what is making it even more, this success is making it even more sweeter. All the patience, all the hard work, it has kind of finally paid off. It's that kind of energy. The energy crossing is that of Hanged Man. Okay, now what I feel is, guys, and whatever I was feeling through your meditation is, you are trying to see things from different angles here. Okay, you are trying to see things from different perspective. You are looking at life in general from different perspective. I don't know what it is that has happened, some incident in your recent past, or currently some events, maybe this pandemic in general for some of you guys. It's whatever it is, but it is making you think about life from a different perspective. You have got this shift of perspective in certain aspect of life is what I strongly feel over here. Yeah, the energy in this in your recent past is that of Page of Swords. Now this is you who I feel that this you were sitting in this energy of what do I say, curiosity curiosity, or coming up with new ideas over something, trying to I think that this Page of Swords is very much related to this new beginnings. Okay, it is you who came up with new ideas, you came up with a lot of research work, a lot of study, a lot of analysis. Okay, finding a lot of information around what it is that you were working towards. Okay, and that has finally led to this new beginnings is what I see. This could also be no, I can't see the other possibility. I really think that this is you studying something very much diligently. You are trying to kind of excel in certain area, and this looks more at career front to me. You tried to, or you are trying to excel in particular area, in particular niche area. You're putting all of your thoughts, all of your hard work in that particular area and try to just excel there is what I see. The energy in your immediate future is that of Two of Pentacles. Now in your overall energy there is this Two of Wands. Now this could also be related to career is what I feel. You guys are trying to arrive to certain decision. Okay, but you're not able to make that decision yet. Okay, maybe you're researching more on that before taking the final call. I also feel that some of you guys are planning overseas travel. Okay, maybe for career or higher studies, whatever it is. Maybe planning relocating for work purposes. This could also be an opportunity, in terms of your career, which would ask you or demand you to travel overseas, or maybe across different cities, and you are trying to take, or you're trying to make that decision whether or not you should take this opportunity. That's what I can see over here. Yeah, I mean, you have worked hard towards it, but since it's requiring shifting places, you are trying to, contemplate over it. You are still trying to decide whether or not to go for it. The energy at the at the subconscious level is that of King of Wands. Now this again looks like your energy to me, someone who is who has been working rather very much dedicatedly and passionately towards achieving your own goals. Okay, someone who was really fired up over achieving that goal that you had set for yourself, probably that kind of energy I'm seeing here. Someone who kept on moving ahead confidently. Okay, who knew what he or she wants. See the way this person is holding his wand, it's like he is very much sure, he is very much in control of whatever the situation is, or whatever that situation was. Okay, that is what is at your subconscious level. The energy at the crowning level is Tower. Now this is interesting. I mean, I am not surprised to see this card. Guys, this is something, this is some incident in your life that happened which made you think about life, something just some kind of rude awakening, some kind of loss, maybe something happened, like something major happened in your life which made you think about life. Okay, see this lesson. Okay, see this lesson. It's like that incident was kind of an eye-opener for you guys. It made you think about life from a different perspective. It made you think about the situation from a different perspective. Okay, it actually compelled or pushed you towards thinking about the situation from a different angle and a different perspective, which till now you are not doing. Okay, I get this feeling that it was a rude awakening. Okay, it was not a easy situation to deal with. It was a painful situation. Okay, but it's like it's like, okay, this is how life is, that kind of situation, that kind of energy I'm getting over here. The energy at the advice position is that of Four of Cups. Yeah, this is you who is a little emotional over something. Probably you are still stuck over something. Okay, you're feeling you're not able to move ahead emotionally. Okay, maybe whatever this tower incident was, you are still kind of in that grieving state. Okay, trying to come to terms to whatever has happened. Okay, because that whatever has happened was completely not expected. It just happened all of a sudden. Okay, it just threw you off the track. That kind of incident it was, and you're still trying to come to terms to it. But yeah, guys, definitely there are new beginnings after that, but right now you're not able to see those, is what I see over here. In your external influences, there is this Two of Cups, lot of two, guys. There is Two of Wands, Two of Pentacles, and Two of Cups. Now I had similar combination in one another reading. I absolutely do not remember, but exactly same combination of cards, wherein the person is trying to decide upon something. Now this is interesting. Now this to me looks like this is some offer. Okay, definitely some offer coming your way which wants you to relocate, and that is what is holding you back from taking that decision. Now this could be in terms of relationship also. Earlier I was thinking it's just about someone's career, but no, this could be an offer that is related to someone's personal relationship also. It could be an alliance for someone, a marriage proposal for someone which is asking or which might require you to move. Okay, but guys, I feel that this is something which is destined. Okay, you are destined for this, is what I see. And in all probability, I think you're going to say yes, or you should say yes, is what I say, because it is it's a Two of Cups energy. It is something which is kind of destined. Okay, it is like meant to happen. So no matter how much you try to push it away or struggle or are struggling to decide upon, I feel eventually you are bound to take that move, or you are bound to accept that offer, is what I see. The energy in your hopes and fears is that of Knight of Wands. Interesting. Now I would like to clarify why Knight of Wands is there in your hopes and fears. I got it. So the Knight of Wands is clarified by the Knight of Pentacles. Now this looks to me like you are kind of this is you who is sitting on this horse, ready to take the plunge, ready to leap. You take that leap. Okay, you are completely fired up about something, but what is required is being a little having a slow but steady and long term vision. Okay, probably since you are sitting in this energy, you might end up taking some hasty action, some hasty decision. Okay, which might not be good in long run. Okay, it might give you fruits in the near future. Okay, but it might not be a long term kind of a thing, a sustainable kind of a thing. Okay, so what is required is you go slow but steady. Okay, think about things through. Okay, and since it is related to Pentacles, I definitely think that this is related to someone's career, and you should really, maybe some of you guys have got two offers in terms of your career. Okay, one of them is kind of giving you very fast growth, in terms of money, but the other one is giving you some slow growth. Okay, but it is good foundationally. It's something for a longer race. It is something for a longer term. Good foundational level of an offer is what I see. Two offers definitely over here. Okay, this on a personal level also, I feel that you guys are having two proposals, two alliances. One is like a lot of fiery passionate person, okay, who acts on his or her impulse, but one is a little slow, a little calmer energy, or a little I would say, even though it's night, it's a mature energy, okay. That person is mature for his or her age, and who has a vision for long term, okay. This is the one who will think about long term commitment, long term goals, okay, in terms of relationship also. So that kind of energy, definitely two energies here in terms of career as well as personal life is what I see over here. The energy at the outcome position is Page of Pentacles. Yeah, now this is what very much making sense. This is some communication coming to you through mail, some messages, some offer, okay, or this is you who is getting some idea, you know, that will help you take the right decision, okay. This idea, and I feel that this is more related to someone's career, okay. That opportunity will just come out of the blue, okay, when you are least expecting it. Also, this could be an idea that has come to your mind, or this is a thought that comes to your mind just out of the blue, and it will help you take the right decision is what I see over here. Yeah, Pentacles, I think it is related to someone's career for sure. So whatever confusion you are having in terms of making decision, that will be, you know, resolved, or you'll arrive to a decision just randomly, you know, just out of the blue, when you're not expecting. Probably like you are doing something, like you're doing some chores, maybe that time some random thought comes to your mind which will help you arrive to a certain decision, okay. That kind of energy I see over here. Like I said, the overall energy also has the Empress card, which also talks of new beginnings, an inception of new idea, new thought, okay. Maybe this is related to that page, okay. This could also be a new addition to your family. Some of you guys might expect baby in your family, okay. If that is the case, heartiest congratulations, guys. For this month I'm getting this card for the first time, so I'm sure there is some good news coming in someone's life, okay. I really congratulate you for this. Temperance, yeah, definitely the guides are asking you to balance things out, okay. Right now I feel that your emotions are all over place, and that's the reason why you're not able to arrive to a decision. You are actually very much confused, okay. You are actually very much confused over something. So please try to meditate and calm down, and it will help you arrive to the right decision. Know that this is backed by the gods, okay. So whatever it is going to be for your highest good, and it will be in your best interest, guys. Yeah, lovely energy to have. And the Lovers card finally. So lovers, twin flame, as well as soulmate relationship, guys. Whatever, for the people who are having some proposal in terms of relationship, I would suggest that you go for it, okay. This is a soulmate kind of a relationship. You don't have to worry about it, is what I feel. A lovely energy. This relationship will be everything that you had dreamt of, okay. It's a very good offer, good alliance, I would say, good partnership, and something which is backed by the gods, and something which is destined, okay. Something which is like bound to happen, like two people bound to meet each other, and you know, spend life together. That's that kind of energy I'm seeing over here. So guys, let's see what we have for you from this beautiful deck. Okay, expect powerful change. Wow, lovely card, guys. So yeah, there are new beginnings, new powerful beginnings, okay. The present energy itself was that of Ace of Wands, and it looks very much empowering, okay, guys. So yeah, the card is self-explanatory, and I'm really excited and happy to know what it is that is changing in your life, because there is this Tower also. So that with that Tower, there are going to be some really substantial changes in your life. So let's see what we have for you guys from this beautiful deck. Alchemy. Wow. You have the Midas touch right now. Every project you begin turns to gold. Wow. What else do I need to say about this card? It's so self-explanatory and so empowering. So like I said guys, whatever you decide, whatever course of action you take, it's going to be in your highest interest. You don't have to worry about anything guys, be it a decision at professional level or at personal level. This is going to be the game changer for you guys. So yes, Geminis, I leave it at that. I hope you like this reading. If this is your story, if it resonates with you, do like the video, drop comments and let me know your experiences, your thoughts about this reading, okay? If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell, okay guys? So yeah, I shall see you next month directly now. Stay safe, stay blessed. Bye. Take care.